In 2026, the question is no longer should you use AI. The real question is which AI tool actually improve your business result without increasing risks or cost. Today, let us discuss that clearly and practically. Why this topic matters. Artificial intelligence is now part of normal business operation. Whether you run a SaaS company, an online store, a consulting firm, or manage a growing team, AI is affecting operation cost, productivity, customer experiences, even tax reporting and compliance. In the US, where labor costs are high and margin matter, using AI intelligently can protect profitability, but using the wrong tool can create confusion, data leaks, and unnecessary expenses. So let us focus only on serious global business tools that are relevant in high-income markets. Best AI tool for business in 2026. Number 1, OpenAI. ChatGPT Enterprise is widely used for drafting legal summaries, writing client email, analyze financial report, generating internal documentation. Example, if your company earns $2 million annually and your team spends 15 hours per week on repetitive writing tasks, AI can reduce that by 30 to 50%. That is real productivity gain. But it should be used with clear internal policy, no uploading sensitive IRS filing, no sharing private customer data, use controlled access. AI increase output, but governance protect reputation. Number 2, Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot integrate directly into Excel, Word, Outlook, Teams. For business owners, this is powerful. Example, in Excel, you can summarize Q1 revenue trends and forecast next quarter. Instead of manually building formulas, Copilot analyze pattern and present a structure inside. For finance team, handling payroll, budget forecast, retirement contribution tracking, reduce analytical time significantly. However, you must still validate output. AI assist, it does not replace financial judgment. Number 3, HubSpot. AI CRM tool in 2026. AI-driven CRMs are essential. HubSpot uses AI for predicting customer lifetime value, lead scoring, email personalization, revenue forecasting. For example, if your average client generates $500 per year, AI can help identify which prospects are most likely to convert before you spend marketing dollar. This improves customer acquisition cost. Marketing return on investment. In high RPM countries, this matters significantly. Many people believe AI is about automation only. This is incorrect. The real value of AI is in business is decision support. AI is not replacing CEOs. It is improving data quality, risk assessment, financial visibility. Another misunderstanding. AI tools do not automatically increase profits.